Hey there, it's E Squared Photography. I'm Erin.
And I'm Emily, and we are here to keep things simple and fun.
Do you ever wonder what lens to use and what works best for certain situations? Well, we are here to help with that today. We are going to take you to a behind the scenes of a family session and explain what lenses we like to use.
And don't forget, every Monday morning we come out with a new YouTube video just for you. And for the best photography tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications of future videos.
We promise by the end of this video today, you're going to have a better idea of what lens to use or what lens maybe you should purchase for some of your upcoming sessions.
And stick around until the end because we have something special that we want to talk about just for you.
All right, so let's dive in.
All right, hi guys, we are here. We are about to do a family session. It's a family of 3. It's a mom and a dad, and then about a 1-year-old little boy. And so we are just quickly scoping out the location before we shoot, but we wanted to talk a little bit about the lenses we like to use for families. And then we will show you a little bit of us shooting behind the scenes as well. So with this family, because it's a family of 3, we're actually going to play around and shoot with our 85mm lens because there's not as many people, so we can be a little bit closer to them than if we were shooting a big family. So typically we don't shoot with an 85, but for smaller families we like to play around with it a little bit. Otherwise, if we have a bigger family,
we would shoot with our 50mm, and these are both 1.8. We are a little too cheap to buy the 1.4, so these are the 1.8. We both won't shoot during the session, only one of us will, and you'll see that. But the camera body is a mirrorless Nikon Z7, so that's what we're shooting with in this instance. Anything else?
So I am going to just set my camera and take a test shot and tell you what my settings are going to be to start the session. So I think we're going to be around this spot right here.
So today's forecast is a little misty, which we're not a fan of. It is overcast skies, so there's absolutely no sun. We're a little concerned that it's going to get dark towards the end of our session, but we are shooting a little bit earlier than we normally do, so we're about 2 hours-ish before sunset. But we don't have to necessarily worry about the sun today, so we can normally when we're shooting at this location, we're shooting closer to the trees in the background because that's where the open shade is. But because it is overcast, we decided that we're really going to pull them out, and the grass is very wet, and we don't want to have to necessarily deal with the wet grass getting on pants and dresses and things like that. So we're going to actually pull them out into this little dirt trail and still get some of that field look.
Okay, so this, what I was using here was our Expo disc, and we use that to set our white balance before we shoot. So again, I'm going to shoot with my 85. I am just going to take a test shot of Erin here to see what my settings will end up being. That is really blue looking. I'm going to set my Expo disc again because I don't know why that's really blue looking. Let's see what happens if I do it. See if it helps if I try again here. There we go, much better. Okay, so taking a test shot here for exposure. Okay, so here are my settings, and I do like that because now with this 85, it's the bokeh and the image or the background is pretty creamy. So I am at an f3.2, an ISO 200, and then my shutter speed is at 1/250, which I'm going to be very careful watching that as we are shooting, just because that is a pretty slow shutter speed, especially with moving kids. So I don't really want to go much lower than that.
If we do end up having to go lower than that just because it starts to get dark or something like that, our first solution will be to bump up our ISO probably to about a 400.
And now we will jump into the session so you can see a little bit of it. Okay, let me get a little bit closer here. Yes, and then you're just going to zoom in back and forth towards me, and we'll see if he'll...
No! Oh, then I've got to try to come and get his attention.
Oh, sorry, one sec.
Hi, you. Hi, you.
Yay!
Oh. Whee!
There we go.
Whee!
Woo!
Nuts! Woohoo! Oh.
Let me get low down here. This might help.
Woo! Oh, big boy. Oh. So the settings here, or not the settings, the focus here was on Knox. And if they, like Kyle looks a little bit out of focus, that's okay. Knox is in sharp focus. He's the center of attention in this picture, so that worked out great.
Okay, just stop for a second.
Is that gonna fall asleep?
Yeah, stop for a second and then we'll have him like do it again. Oh, you know what else could be cute is you guys like walking with him and then like picking him up just a little bit to give him a little swing. Let's try that.
Because then you can focus more on him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I hold your hand?
Oh, look at him. Oh my gosh.
You take steps?
Woo! Yay! Yay! Woo! Okay, go back and let's do that again.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, he's like, rocks! There we go.
Here we go. Ready?
Woo! Nuts! Whoa! Do that again, yeah.
Woo! I'm gonna
Wow! He's like, all I see is rocks,
Yeah,
you guys.
he is
I don't
focused on
care
it.
about anything else. Woohoo! Okay. Okay, how can we get him to, let's try to think of something that we can do. Should we like set him out of the rocks?
Like in the
Like up in the
field.
grass
Or,
there?
Yeah, up in the grass up here.
Let's try that and see if we can get him then to look. So grab the chair.
That can stay. Yeah, thanks.
He is a good baby though.
Yeah.
Like he hasn't even fussed.
Not after 8 o'clock.
Trying to get him to nap as much as possible today.
Today, yeah, I was
That
gonna.
was like iffy.
What
But,
time is his bedtime?
Like 7 o'clock-ish now.
Okay,
Let's
so,
go.
Yeah. Oh well, that's good.
Aaron,
It
let's
was
go.
earlier until
Aaron.
a week ago.
Yeah.
Let's use the chair because it's really wet.
Oh, okay.
Or it's probably wet.
Well, I can get that blanket, I guess, too. I didn't think of that. Okay.
Put him in the chair.
Yeah, I think so. Even though he might not. There's no rocks around for him to.
Oh. Oh.
Look at you! Nuts!
Knox, up here.
Yay!
Look what this
Yay!
Would it be cuter if his shoes
Oh, with
were
his
up?
little
That
bare
might be
feet.
kind of cute. Yeah, do that.
You don't really like shoes on anyways.
Oh, I bet that feels
Get the
good.
stuff off. Yeah.
Oh, look at the little toes.
Your little toe.
Yay! Nuts! Where's Dad?
Max, hold
Oh, you. Oh. Whoa! Whoa! Go in and like tickle him maybe, and then step out.
I want to fix his strap too, though.
Tickle, 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 tickle. Yay!
Should I come get you?
Oh.
Oh,
me see.
yeah, try that.
He's like, I'm gonna figure this out. Ow! Woo!
Hey, buddy, what's this? Here, you want this? That looks nice.
Oh,
You want that?
what is that? Oh, whoa! Knox! Tickle, 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 tickle. Knox! Where's your pretty eyes?
Foxy,
Yeah!
here's a fox.
That was like a fake little.
What was that?
See, but
Ew.
doesn't he have like your little like dimples that you have like right here though?
Oh,
You know how you kind of have.
I guess you're right.
He kind of does.
Here you go. Here you go. Can I tickle you? Are you ready? One. Tickle, tickle.
So cute.
Tickle, 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 tickle. Knox! Knox!
Hard to get babies.
Yeah, do tickle,
It
do
is.
tickle him again.
Ready? Knox.
But at least he's not crying.
One.
Because we have those sessions for sure.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
I don't care anymore.
Yeah. Oh boy! Oh boy! Knox!
He's like, whatever.
Okay, so we are doing everything we can. Mom and Dad are doing everything they can to try to get Knox to smile. It's not going super well. We're still getting cute shots, but we're not getting the smiles. Mom and Dad are being very, very helpful. Not all parents are
naturals at this and trying to get their kids to smile. Some just like really step out of the way and try to let us do their thing. So in this situation, we're very thankful that mom and dad are trying to help us out and get him to smile, just because they're more familiar with, or he's more familiar with them. So we're doing what we can. I'll show you what we got.
Take a moment and comment below. Let us know, what is your favorite lens that you're using right now?
So we hope that behind the scenes footage was helpful in us explaining what lenses we like to use for family sessions. If you want more behind the scenes from that entire family session or other family sessions, we have a family behind the scenes photography course where you can see 6 different full family sessions as we break down each session and talk about what's going good, what's going bad, why we're using this light, why we're putting them here or posing them this way. We are diving deep. And then we take you also into the editing process as we edit images from each of those 6 sessions. And then there's also other bonus videos included in that. So if you're interested in that, make sure to check out the description below.
And in addition to that course, we do give you a wide range of families from youngs to bigs. So you will see a variety as you go through that course.
For now though, we do have in the description below, make sure to check it out, a family posing and planning guide for you to take a look at. So go ahead and look at that.
And if you enjoyed this video today, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with a friend so we know to make more videos just like this one.
If you don't already, make sure to follow us on Instagram at e2photography for more behind the scenes footage of us at sessions and just more photography tips and tricks. And we will see you next week.